Hi, this is Joey from my new channel called Joey TV, and Joey TV is all about these favorites, toys, all these good stuff that you guys would want to watch. And today we're going to do my first set of videos, and today we're going to do my 10 favorite Star Wars Jedi characters. And number 10 is Aayla Secrea. I like her because she's really cool. She looks like a blue alien with tentacles on her head. She has a blue lightsaber and has like blue and black clothes. And I also like her because she was inside the Geonosis battle. And she actually survived inside the second episode out of 18, out of like 1 million people, 800 Jedi guys survived. Thanks for watching, and if you guys want to see number 9, come back tomorrow, and see you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.